got a really cool project. We're doing a certified powertrain and hydraulic rebuild on a 336 excavator. The reasoning to choose to rebuild this 336, it was kind of brought to our attention that it would be something that NC would really like to do, and it's something that has saved us some money.
Everybody in the company really liked these 336s that we have, but they were at the life point where they were starting to become unreliable.
Talking to BDZ about certified rebuilds, and they were interested in hearing more about that. So we did a presentation for them.
Colin, Brandon, and I would be sitting there running different scenarios.
And we look at the total cost of ownership and see if it's of value to the customer.
So it made a lot of sense to do rebuilds on these. The savings that they would get off of doing these 3 machines would allow them to purchase and grow their fleet by 1 more machine. What goes into a powertrain and hydraulic rebuild is really everything from the engine all the way back down to the axle.
The 336 is very, very straightforward. So we removed the cab, we removed the engine, removed the control valve, the swing drive, final drives.
We bought Caterpillar remanufactured engine, hydraulic pump, all motors.
You really gave that whole machine a complete uplift.
Simply put, rebuilds are an economical way to get your machine back to like new condition and lower your operating cost.
I would say people would be surprised that we're rebuilding excavators.
Because always the mantra was, it's not economical to rebuild an excavator. I think otherwise. Caterpillar equipment is built to be rebuilt.
I think that there's a lot of companies out there that don't realize you can fully rebuild a machine cost effectively.
The hydraulic excavator rebuilds with BDZ was a great opportunity. It was a natural fit for him to bring it to us and have this machine rebuilt and give him the value he expects out of a rebuilt machine.
We went through rebuilding the first excavator. We're currently going through the second one, and another 6 months, we'll plan on doing a third one.